Alright, hi guys, we have a special unboxing here today of a most powerful gaming rig. I'm a little late to the game, but let's go see what this is. So surprise, today we're unboxing the Asus Duo. This is the most powerful and creative laptop on the market. Look at that beauty. Asus, in search of something incredible. Alright, take a look at that. I've been waiting to get my hands on this for a while. The reason why was because I wanted the Core Intel i9 processor. We're gonna see what's so special about this laptop. It's a dual screen laptop, the first dual screen laptop, powerful gaming PC, portable gaming, running the latest RTX graphics card. Let's get this over here. All right, everyone. I can't control my excitement. Alright, so we got this in the box. Let's see what else we got. This looks like the charger. And nothing else in there, folks. This is the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo. This is the most creative PC today. The only other dual screen laptop that is mainstream like the Surface Neo that's coming out. It's not a gaming focused laptop, but this is. First time opening for us. Let's give that a little open. Wow, just like that, it rises up right when you open it. Let's take a look right there. It rises up right out of the box. Look at that beauty. This is pretty thick. This is thicker than what I thought. From all their promo videos, this looked like an alien UFO space machine. And this features a 4K UHD OLED HDR screen, 100% DCI P3. Have the screen pad. We're gonna go into that. Dual 4K monitors. One of them is an LCD, one of them is an OLED, running an RTX 2060 Intel 9th gen processor. This is why it took so long, because all the ones you can buy now are the Intel i7 processor. Wi-Fi 6, so that's the latest Wi-Fi. A number pad that can be substituted for a trackpad, and an IR camera for Windows Hello. I'm just gonna keep doing this over and over again. All right, let's stop playing around there. We got a pen that comes with it. Now, we'll have to see if this is accurate as, say, the Surface Pro line. If you're gonna see the keyboard on this, this is a wrist rest. Okay, folks, and a huge power brick. A standard laptop jack. I don't think it's a proprietary port. Power cord extension cable. And that's it. All this goodies. Laptop, the pen, the wrist rest, and the huge power brick cable. But let's go ahead and unwrap this. It's my favorite part. You know what's coming. And there you go. If I drop this baby, this is like $3,300 down the drain. Just like that. A lot of fancy packaging. Again, there should be a little cloth in here to protect it. There you go. So you got the screen pad plus a digit pad, number pad over here. Got some custom keys right there. Let's just look at the keyboard. Let's get this guy charged. This connection looks a little insecure. So the little wrist pad, the optional wrist pad that comes with that, is right under the keyboard, and it has this nice little seamless edge. Very nice. If you look closely, this allows a pass-through of the light. It has a clear reflective plastic. If you look at the trackpad, very interesting. If you look right here, the second screen is working. See that little mouse cursor? Let's accept this. Keyboard is pretty good. It doesn't feel as premium as the Surface Laptop 3. Feels plasticky, kind of light. I don't mind it. I keep using this little wrist rest as my trackpad. Hi guys. A little slower. I think the Surface Laptop 3 were a little faster. Alright, we're almost there. Loading. And just like that, we're in Windows. It's kind of hard to see in this reflective area, this matte screen. It says tap or click the highlighted area to open the launcher. Here we have our desktop over here, and then we can scroll down here, and this just treats it like a second monitor. So open that, and we have some of our new apps. This is kind of like a touch sensor bar area. Every time I swipe here, it affects the top screen. So we can drag this into there. Okay, so we got the quick key function. Looks like we have cut, copy, paste. We can edit this. We can make our own group contents, so kind of shortcuts to buttons that we need, or we can directly link to an app. Put that on this window, same thing. We can put this in the center. We can move this app to the right, move it to the left, or full screen it. And this makes it an even shorter bar, like a shorter touch bar. This is almost like the form factor of the Surface Neo. The Surface Neo will have like a keyboard function here, and the remaining touch area will be a smart touchpad, or as this one's calling, a screen pad. Handwriting, hi, hi. And there you go. Hi appears right there. Let's see. R, U. Guess once you write it, you gotta press what it thinks it is. This doesn't have good palm rejection, unfortunately. I'm getting little dots every time I put down my hand. Hello. What? Every time I put my palm here, so I guess I have to write like this. There you go. So, unfortunately, not too good at palm rejection. You're getting those palms. Number key, it lights up this keyboard right away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So don't press too hard on this guy because it will actually register it as a click. Same thing. On, off, or a 1 second press here. But if I swipe down, calculator turns on. I kind of like this screen pad. I feel like you can press hard and you won't break what's down here. Let's see this. We can arrange our windows in this corner. So I hit that side. We get Internet Explorer, Spotify there. Let's go back to this app launcher. You still there? Yes, it is. This guy. Let's do capture. I like them 1, 2, 3. Right there. Capture that. Confirm. Let's do group 1, just how I like it. Okay, number 1. It's gonna open that. Spotify should be the last one. That's a cool feature. Wow, 3 apps at once. This is a totally new form factor. Then, what's this? Now we can just, this looks like a shuffle of everything. So we threw what was on here up there, and what was up here down here. Great, switch it back. What's this? App Navigator. So this just looks like a multitasking function. We have a little more setting. The world's most beautiful. Let's full screen that. But instead of full screening this, let's throw it on both screens. So you can throw this down, and you're going to get it down there. Always drag it up. Here we have the option to pin it. That'll pin it on. Add that app to the quick launcher. Let's see where it went. It's just now on the quick launcher like that. If I double click the bar, it turns it left or full screen. My favorite, blowing it up all the way. Beautiful museums on both screens. I'm not sure how helpful that is when you have this huge bezel like that, but it's a little jarring because you can see the matted LCD screen and the OLED right there. Pretty neat. You always have this context screen. Throw it down, you can pin it onto your app launcher, or you can expand it. These are pretty smooth and straightforward. Everything you can do with the Screen Pad Plus app launcher. So first, you start with your dock, and you can add any of your Windows apps here. There you go, you can delete them right away. Second, you have what's called Groups or Group Launcher, and you can edit that. I set up my Group 1 to have Edge on top here, Windows Explorer on the left, and Spotify on the right. Not there, just click that. File Explorer and Spotify right here. So this is what's called the switcher, so anything that's on these windows, same thing, I can switch it and switched back. It locks the keyboard and let us multitask. And you notice I have File Explorer and Spotify open. Let's play this. Alright, so full screen doesn't go to both. It doesn't do both screens. I wish it did. Aw, man. Pretty cool, right? This is kind of the UI that we'll see with the Surface Neo. Switch again. This button right here, it's disabled, and it shuts this screen off completely. So it's like shutting off the monitor, and that turns it back on. on and off button for the screen. I'd always want it on, unless I'm trying to save battery. Let's see what this one is. Turbo, auto, maybe the fans. F12, my Asus. So we have a button for my Asus. Oh yeah, great. Screen snip. Turning off the webcam. That's great for privacy. This must lock it. This one here. That one is the project button. Setup, this is brightness. Touchpad disabled. This looks like screen brightness. And volume key. Alright guys, so that concludes our unboxing and setup of the Asus Zenbook Pro Duo, the most powerful gaming laptop and probably the best entertainment gaming laptop of 2019. Man, the stakes are so high for laptops this year. This is a very heavy machine. It's running the RTX 1060, so I gotta download Steam and start running a bunch of games before New Year's. I love that it's a dual screen laptop like the Surface Neo that's going to come out. So we're going to see a bunch of iterations of foldable tablets, 2-in-1 screens, dual screen laptops. This keyboard here wastes no space at all. Okay, I'm enamored by this device and all this functionality right here. With all this simplicity of these apps, it's really not that complicated for multitasking or switching. Some of the custom work, I wouldn't consider it bloatware. I would say it's like complimentary wear. Those are impressions for the best gaming laptop of 2019. I'm so happy I got this Core i9 RTX 2060 decked out storage RAM. I'm going to be using this one for a while as we game on here. But remember, with the higher panel, it won't be 1080p, so it's not 140 Hz refresh rate. But man, isn't this sexy? Isn't this elegant? I'm so excited. So let's watch out when we drop the review of this device. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Like and subscribe below. And what do you think is the best laptop of 2019? It's a warfare out there, guys.